What is up, guys? This is Jovi TV, and in this quarantine period I'm going to be wrapping the side mirrors of my Porsche, and this will be my first time. Alright, so for my GT4 I got some Vvivid wrap in, forgot what is this, Ferrari red. And I just bought like a basic wrap toolkit for like $20 online. And I'm also going to be using knife tape, 3M knifeless tape. Because I'm going to be making like a two-tone sort of thing with the side mirrors. I'm only going to be wrapping like the front of it, and we'll see how that works out. Alright guys, so this time I'm going to be doing the passenger side mirror. There's already a clear bra, but it's okay. I guess it's not really a big deal. I know I'm doing this outside, but I barely have a garage, so I'm just making do with what I have. So there you have it, guys. It was pretty hard to learn. I found myself like chasing a lot of wrinkles and doing stuff over, but you know, that's why it's a profession. It's kind of like an art in itself. But it looks good. I finally got the two side mirrors done, and I also, you know, with the leftovers, I did some hash marks here. I'm not sure how I feel about it. We'll see. And let's go to the back here. And this actually looks really nice. I like it a lot. Looks very clean, even though I use, like, you know, some cheap stuff from the auto store. Literally like $4 a roll. There you have it, guys. If you guys have any questions on how I did this, you know, feel free to comment if you like the what you saw, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Vvivid TV.